Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be fixing some cabbage gravy. Yes ma'am, cabbage gravy. This is the meat. It's already washed and clean. Chicken feet, crayfish, cow meat, cow liver, and what else? Shrimp. Okay, these are all the ingredients. This is the cabbage, slashed tomatoes, onions, carrot. These are all the seasons. Watch for more details. Do not forget, okay? Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, guys? Don't forget to like and comment, okay? And subscribe too so you get more videos. Okay guys, let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna be using 1 pack of that season. You can go to Compare Food Line, they sell that. Some black pepper, put it in there. Chicken mambo. I usually use this sauce, this season. I like it. A little bit of in there, and then put some salt, garlic, onions, salt, put some accent salt, give it some flavor, some hot pepper, ground hot pepper, cube. You can use whatever you use to cooking with, because I like this one, the chicken cube. I'm gonna put 2 of that in there, and then I'm gonna stir. Put a little bit of water, 1 cup of water. You see the cup I use, and then stir. So the seasoning, we're gonna put in some onions, slashed onions. I'm gonna put it on like 7 oven. While that is steaming, I'm gonna fry my cabbage using crystal oil. Usually I don't use the oil, but sometimes you do what you like. I'm gonna fry the onions first, and then tomatoes, the cabbage. Put that in there, and then stir. Because the pot was real small while cooking in. Just stir that, make sure the oil is on the cabbage. Close it. Come back 5 minutes and then stir again. Okay, my meat, you see, it's almost done. Steam. Don't mind alcohol, guys. It's my hookah burning. Close it. Come back to my cabbage. Put some black pepper in there. The same sauce I showed you earlier. Some onions, garlic, salt, this sauce you don't know, that's how you call it, ground booty. You can find on any African store. Some of the hot pepper I showed you earlier. Guys, I love pepper. I'm gonna stir it. Make sure the seasoning is in there real good. I'm gonna put a carrot in there and stir it. Close it. Come back to my meat. See, it's all done. Juicy. Yummy. See that? Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll come back to my cabbage. After 10 minutes, you see how it's all melted? Okay, it's about to put the meat. Yeah. Taking everything from the way. Yeah, my meat is already pre-cooked. Dump it in there. Guys, I love a lot of meat. If it's not a lot of meat, I don't like to eat. So, one life to live. You do what you like. If you don't like a lot of meat, you don't have to put a lot of meat in there. I do. See that how it look yummy and juicy? Okay, after I stirred it, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Because the cabbage is a little bit difficult to grab salt. And my boo like a lot of salt. Chicken feet. I put some more salt because I tasted it was not salt. You cook how you want it. If you like a little bit salt, you put salt. If you don't like too much salt, don't put. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that to steam, boil. I'm back in like 10 minutes. Started, almost done. See that? It looks juicy and yummy. Crawfish, chicken feet. I'm gonna leave that for a little bit of time. Okay, I'm back. 10 minutes. You see that? I'm just stirring it. See that, guys? It's already dry. You can really see the oil popping. If you don't see it boiling too much, it means it's already dry, ready to eat. Okay, guys, it's already done. I'm about to put the soup on my rice and eat some cabbage and gravy. See that? Yummy. See you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Love you guys so much for the love and support.